Hi everyone. Welcome to Lispend Campus. 10 sentence every day, perfect for beginners stepping into English. We'll practice simple sentences, break down keywords, and learn through listening, all in English. Let's get started. 1. Could you write it down for me? Key phrase, write it down. This means to record something on paper or a device. 2. What's the best way to get there? Key phrase, best way. This is how you ask for the easiest or most efficient method to reach a destination. 3. Can I try this on? Key phrase, try this on. This is how you ask for permission to test clothing for size or fit. 4. Do you need a ride? Keyword, ride. A trip in a car or vehicle to help someone get somewhere. 5. When does it close? Key phrase, when does it close? This is how you ask about the closing time of a place, like a shop or office. 6. Let me check my schedule. Keyword, schedule. A plan or list of activities and their times. 7. How many people are coming? Key phrase, how many? This is how you ask about the number of people or things. 8. Can I have the menu, please? Keyword, menu. A list of food and drinks available at a restaurant. 9. I'll have the same as them. Key phrase, the same as. This means to choose what someone else has already chosen. 10. Let's plan something fun this weekend. Keyword, plan. This means to arrange or organize something in advance. These are 10 everyday phrases you can hear and use in real life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Keep practicing, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.
The breeze carries whispers, the stars softly glow. A rhythm eternal, only we know. Your hand in mine, the world melts away. Each step we take, the music leads our way. The congas are echo, the horns start to sing. In this sacred moment, we feel everything. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon, where passion's laid bare, we dance as one in the rhythm we share. Your smile ignites like a spark in the dark. Each motion a story, each glance a new spark. The melody wraps us like waves on the sea, bound by the rhythm, just you and me. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon, where passion's laid dance as one in the rhythm we share. The music speaks truths no words can convey. In your arms I'm home, where I long to stay. Let the rhythm guide us as stars lead the way. Our hearts are the music that will never stray. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon, where passions lay bare, we dance as one in the rhythm we share. As the night fades, the rhythm will remain, a love everlasting in this sweet refrain.